Mary, the system update is finished.
Great. Let me check the customer portal.
Wait, something is wrong. I can't see the order list.
What? Let me try. Oh no, the data is missing.
This is bad. We have 20 orders to ship today.
Did you save the backup before the update?
Yes, I did. It's on the server.
Good. Let's restore it now.
I'm starting the restore. This will take 5 minutes.
I'll call the warehouse. They need to wait.
The restore is complete. Can you check again?
Yes, all the orders are back. Everything works now.
That was close. Next time, we test the update first.
Absolutely. Let's write a new update procedure.
Good idea. I'll start the document right now.